Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, warm and breezy across the plains today.
Yeah, Joe, we got temperatures here this morning. We're starting out with 30-degree readings out there in Colorado. You get across the state line, we got 40 in Colby, 44 in McCook, 41 Oberlin, and 41 also here in Atwood. We got a southeasterly breeze gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour, and those southeasterly winds will turn to the south and southwest as a low pressure approaches here this afternoon. Those winds will pick up 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts after the lunch hour and late this morning, and that will cause some blowing dust concerns. We'll also have some elevated fire weather with a red flag warning in place along counties on Highway 40 and also Norton and Graham counties off to our east. Those are counties that are in that moderate to severe drought classification. The northwest counties are kind of in that normal to abnormally dry areas and are the ones that have less fire risk. Those winds are associated with this low pressure that will be moving through. Temperatures will top out in the 70 to 70 degree range before it arrives. And then that front will come through sometime late this afternoon, early evening. And between that 4 and 8 p.m., we could see some isolated thunderstorms develop. Again, they'll be isolated in nature, kind of along the dry line. They could have some ping-pong-sized hail with them, 50, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, so we can't rule out a severe storm. And if you got any moisture, it'd probably be a quick quarter, half-inch dumping in a very isolated area. That stuff will pick up intensity and severe weather parameters and heavier rains once it gets to the eastern side of the state. Temperatures tonight will drop down to 32, and then we've got a series of low pressures that will come through the day on Thursday, and then again Friday evening through the day, early afternoon on Saturday. That will bring us more rain and even some snow as those temperatures go below freezing. We'll see tomorrow be an in-between day before that next system arrives. We'll see temperatures start out in the morning around freezing, climb into the upper 50s around 60. Northwesterly winds will be gusty at 20 to 30 miles per hour. They will diminish tomorrow night. Lows will drop into the 20s. And then for Thursday, we'll have that cold start in the morning. We'll see a rain-snow mix. Snow out to the west of Highway 27, rain to the east, and then that'll be off and on through the morning and into the afternoon. Could pick up a quarter up to half inch of precipitation with that activity. And temperatures will struggle to even get past 40 with, again, the overnight low temperatures dropping back into the 20s. And then as we go for Friday and Saturday, we got that second disturbance that will come through. Temperatures will probably rebound in the middle to upper 40s there on Friday, drop to overnight lows around 30. And then again, we'll have that rain-snow mix thing going on Saturday morning, mostly out to the west in Colorado. Rain on the Kansas side, temperatures again in that 40, 45 degree range, and could pick up a northern quarter to half inch. Computer models are suggesting we've got a good chance of picking up a solid inch of precipitation during this 5-day period. And then for starting on Sunday, Monday, we warm back up into the upper 50s, middle 60s, and then warmer, drier weather looks like it'll set in all the way through the 14th of the month, that 15th. So we're going to need this moisture because it looks like it's going to go back into the 60s, 70s, and be dry through the middle parts of the month.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazurek.